first time ever on Disney DVD.
There's something written here, but it's hard to make out.
In the net.
The Magic is released. It's an exhilarating, fun-filled adventure with the hilarious characters you love. Now in a spectacular first-ever digital presentation, the Aladdin Special Edition on Disney DVD with bonus features fit for a sultan.
Absolutely marvelous.
Experience a deleted song found in the Disney Vault. Play new games.
Now I know what you mean.
Soar on a virtual magic carpet ride and go beyond the movie to uncover never-before-seen movie secrets. Walt Disney Pictures presents the Aladdin Special Edition. Coming for the first time ever on Disney DVD, October 5th, 2004. Coming soon to theaters.
Incredible. We need your help.
Showtime.
Honey, come to dinner.
I can't come to dinner. I've got the red. I gotta go. Maybe just a salad and yeah. Oh, some rice cakes.
Come on.
Coming soon to own on DVD and video.
This is the ancestral mansion of the Gracie family. It's a real fixer-upper. With a Victorian ballroom, secret passageways, spacious grounds with room for the whole family, and a mystery that has cursed the house for over 100 years. But no one told the Evers family.
Honey, you know they have dead people in the backyard.
Hey, I'd really rather stay on the ground. Can I stay on the ground, please?
Dark spirits from the grave, come forth.
Don't you make no dark spirits come out while I'm sitting there. Wait till I leave before the dark spirits come out.
The Haunted Mansion.
It's one of the most beloved animated classics of all time.
I wish I was a boy.
But that's another movie.
Ow! You're hurting me, dear blue fairy.
How many times I gotta tell you, dog breath, I ain't no fairy!
Walt Disney Pictures presents Teacher's Pet, the musical tale of one dog's dream of becoming a boy.
A boy needs a dog. Needs a boy. Needs a dog. Needs a boy. Needs a dog. Needs a boy. Needs a dog. Boy, 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 boy.
Disney's Teacher's Pet.
He's good.
I wish I had a nickel for every time I've heard that.
Herb Brooks had given up his dream of Olympic glory until 20 ordinary kids
Mark Johnson.
Buzzy Schneider.
Michael Ruzioni.
You're missing some of the best players.
I'm looking for the best players, Craig. I'm looking for the right ones.
gave him a second chance.
Soviets win. My goal is to beat them at their own game.
Beat the best team in the world.
When you face the impossible.
Russians' main weapon is intimidation.
This guy's ever smile?
They're Russians. They get shot if they smile.
And you refuse to give up.
We start becoming a team right now.
Miracles can happen.
Who do you play for?
Play for the United States of America.
Discover the story
This is your time.
behind the greatest moment in sports history.
We can beat these guys.
Dear Diary, Stitch has been doing really great. His goodness level is way up. And climbing. I've been helping him get in touch with his inner Elvis. This is the exact bench where Elvis sat in Blue Hawaii.
Oh, yeah, that's him.
But something strange is happening. Stitch is acting really weird, even for Stitch.
What?
I don't know if there's enough Ohana in all of Hawaii to fix this problem.
All new from Walt Disney Pictures, the sequel to the hit movie Lilo and Stitch. But this time, Stitch has a glitch. Lilo and Stitch. Stitch has a glitch. Only on Disney DVD Fall 2005.
The Jennings family has just moved to the small town of Canaima.
Oh, Ross, smell that air. Oh, God.
In search of a simpler life.
Want to blow up a bullfrog? Okay.
It's the perfect place.
Goodbye crime, goodbye grime.
Except for one pesky little problem.
Come with me and look at the web.
The web? I have a
Terrible fear of spiders. Come on, we live in the country now. It's time to work through this irrational, paralyzing terror.
It's not irrational.
Hollywood Pictures and Amblin Entertainment present Jeff Daniels.
Honey, we're in the living room. We need you to kill a spider.
And John Goodman.
Bill McClintock, Infestation Management.
Ooh, I thought it's just a spider.
Would anybody object if I tore this floor out?
I would.
False alarm, then lead on. There's no spider here.
Every so often in a little town somewhere, there is a health scare.
There's a rumor going around that some kind of spider might have killed Sam Metcalf.
Doubtful.
Spiders make convenient culprits.
There's no spider here.
I think one of your Venezuelan spiders hitched a ride here.
There may be some spiders around here that are very dangerous.
Dad, chill out.
Just run.
They spread out from a central nest in a web-like pattern and dominate the entire area. When that happens, this town is dead.
Better uncork my private stock.
Rock and roll!
Hollywood Pictures and Amblin Entertainment present Arachnophobia. 8 legs, 2 fangs, and an attitude.
Perk up, Lloyd. If we find the spider that did this, you can arrest him.
Arachnophobia, a thrill-omedy.
Coming soon to special edition DVD and video. Walt Disney's original classic 101 Dalmatians has touched generations with its humor and heart. And now...
Oh dear.
The story continues.
Brace yourself.
For the first time on special edition DVD, it's 101 Dalmatians 2 Patch's London Adventure.
You think I'm one of a kind, or just one of 101?
101. Patch feels lost in a sea of spots. But when he sets out on his own, he discovers that standing out from the crowd can be a lot harder than he thought.
I'm afraid all I'll ever be is one of 101.
Now, with the help of some new friends...
You know, you're all right, kid.
He'll find the strength to become a one-of-a-kind hero.
It's remarkable. It's stunning. It's grand. It makes me smile a lot.
With very special bonus features, including an all-new game and cool music videos.
Absolutely wizard!
It's a one-of-a-kind DVD. Disney's 101 Dalmatians 2 Patch's London Adventure.
Patch was fantastic.
Coming soon to Disney DVD for a limited time only.
Now available to own on DVD and video.
Great movies at low prices. The most hilarious hits are on DVD and video.
Damn.
Movies with comic genius. And the not too bright.
That's the first time for everything.
Heartfelt stories of the socially challenged and the chronically unlucky. Exploring the art of love.
So you two are gonna help me tame the wild beast.
And the anticipation of romance.
Sexy.
Movies with heroes.
Sorry.
And heart. Movie Showcase. Great movies at low prices on DVD and video.
Okay, I'm with you fellas.